In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Clover to QuickBooks Online and keep your sales, fees, and deposits synced accurately. We'll start inside QuickBooks Online. Sign into the company file you want to connect and make sure you have the right level of access to install apps. A modern browser and a stable internet connection will make this go smoothly. Once you're in, head to the Apps section. In the search bar, type Clover, then look for the official Clover integration. Review the app description to confirm it matches your region and the features you need. Open the Clover app page and click Get App Now. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm which company you're connecting, then display a summary of what the app can access. Take a moment to read these permissions so you know exactly what data will flow between systems. When you're ready, proceed to connect. You'll be redirected to sign in to your Clover account to authorize the integration. Log in securely, complete any two-step verification if prompted, and choose the correct merchant account or location so transactions land in the right QuickBooks file. Grant the requested permissions to allow the two systems to talk to each other. When authorization is successful, you'll return to the setup screens in QuickBooks. Next, configure your sync settings. This is where you decide what gets imported and how it's categorized. Turn on the import for sales so daily Clover activity creates the appropriate sales forms in QuickBooks. Map sales to the right income accounts and choose how to handle taxes and tips based on your bookkeeping needs. Enable fee imports so card processing fees post to a designated expense account, making your profitability clear. For deposits, select the bank account in QuickBooks that receives Clover payouts and confirm whether you want gross sales with separate fee entries or net deposits. Set a start date to avoid duplicating past entries and confirm the sync frequency that matches your workflow. Once the integration is running, make it a habit to monitor transactions and reconcile regularly in QuickBooks. Check that imported sales match your Clover totals for the day, and that deposits in your bank feed align with the batched amounts created by Clover after fees. If you see a difference, look for timing issues, refunds, or manual edits. Use the Reconcile tool each month to tie your bank statement to QuickBooks and review reports like sales by product or service to validate accuracy. A quick weekly review helps catch issues early and keeps your books clean. That's it. You've connected Clover to QuickBooks Online, configured your sync, and set yourself up for smooth, reliable reconciliations.